अभी हम लोग बंदीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व में एंटर करने वाले हैं। टाइगर Now we have started eating Hyderabadi biryani. So it is looking awesome because the smell is really nice, and with it the gravy is also tough and raita. And we took some hot water as well so that we can digest it easily. Very nice.
How is the taste?
Good. Like a little, मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा सा खट्टा खट्टा है, वो मुझे लगा बहुत अच्छा है। हम अभी बोट हाउस ऊटी के सामने खड़े हैं। इट इज़ इन तमिलनाडु। इसका एंट्रेंस यहाँ पे है, लेकिन इसका we have to take the ticket. So ticket counter is there, entrance ticket counter, and we will take the ticket, but we are waiting for our friends to come here. That said, you can see the market, Hotel Darshan. You can see lot of woolen clothes are there.
ভিতরে পার্কিং আছে, ভালো পার্কিং। চলে আসো, আমরা টিকিট কাউন্টারের সামনে আছি একটা। This is a ticket counter. Boat house entry ticket is adult 15, child above 5 years. Still camera 30, video camera 150. This is the entry. It's a good parking place. Parking place बहुत अच्छा है, काफी spacious है. So they are taking for parking 60 rupees. तो हम लोग वेट कर रहा हूँ, मेरा एक फ्रेंड आ रहा है, प्रियव्रत. So we'll meet and we'll go together inside. तो उसके बाद एक साथ 2-3 जगह हम लोग घूमेंगे एंड शाम को भी एंजॉय करेंगे एक साथ. They are taking 700 rupees and actually total 700 rupees. 350 is for four seater and is for half an hour, and if it is cross half an hour they will not return, and if it is within half an hour then they will return.
এরকম করে আবার পড়ে নাকি? পাপার অবস্থা দেখ। হ্যাঁ, কিভাবে পড়ছে তুলছি সেগুলো ঢুকিয়ে দে তো, পাপাকে হেল্প করতো। टू टाइम
वी आर रेडी। हम लोग जा रहा हूँ अभी बोटिंग करने। 355 এ আসতে হবে। 355 এর মধ্যে আসতে হবে।
So now here, this is Ooty Boat House,
बोट हाउस उटी लेक।
and now we are just enjoying. The weather is so nice. It's cool weather. It's beautiful scenery everywhere. Everywhere it is beautiful. Wow, the children are enjoying. Titi, paddling. Do it faster, 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 fast, 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 fast. মোবাইল পড়ে যাবে জলে। মোবাইল নিয়ে বসে বাবা।
না আমি কেন নিয়েছি?
হ্যাঁ, ফটো।
টাইমটা।
আর জলের মধ্যে মোবাইল পড়ে গেলে?
It's a 30 minutes only. Needs to count. That's why I'm checking from mobile. Now it is 3:26. So he needs to return back by 3:55. Otherwise, they will deduct another 350 rupees.
यहाँ से अगर शेर आ जाए तो पूरा जंगल,
वो देखो उधर
जंगल एरिया पूरा।
छोटी सिटी दिख रहा है वो।
That side, city. Beautiful place, ना?
Italy is enjoying.
अरे उल्टो अभी का रास्ता
Today's temperature around, I think, is at 10 degree, below 10 degree. But the weather is really good. Earlier, we were staying in Hotel Darshan, that is just in front of boat house. Yeah, that white color hotel. Priyabrata is busy for family photograph.
Now this is exit, so we are going out. Now we are moving towards our next destination. So we are standing in front of Botanical Garden, Ooty Botanical Garden. It is quite cold.
White is a too cold. Around
too-
5 degree, minimum 5 degree.
No. And we are all wearing leather jackets, warm clothes, cap, muffler. And now we will enter Botanical Garden. The timing is 7 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. We are waiting for our friends to come here and then we will go in.
Ticket is 50 rupees.
And you can see Ooty flowers. Those yellow color flowers are Ooty flowers. The speciality of these flowers are if you try to give water on this flower, the flower will not exist. If you don't put water on this flower, if you don't water on the flowers, then the flower will be like this only. It will bloom. Now we will have this Ooty carrots.
मीठा मीठा carrots.
These carrots are very sweet and very juicy and tasty. So we will just have this carrot.
We have just entered Ooty Botanical Garden. Temperature is around 10 degree, but feeling is like too cold. It's 31st December, Ooty Botanical Garden. People are so excited. Many people are coming, but many people are not wearing mask.
We just enter Botanical Garden. You can purchase a lot of plants here. So there are a lot of plants which you can purchase and take it home in a very cheap rate. So sometimes we also come here to take plants. We purchase different type of plants here which is not available generally in the market, but those plants are available here in a very cheap rate. So last time when we visited Ooty, we took around 20 plants from here, which cost very cheap from the normal market, from the other
There
markets.
is a sales counter.
Because this is from government.
That side is a sales counter.
Last time when we came, we were sitting here, but this time they have stopped entering people. We cannot enter here now. But all these years we have entered here and we have chilled here. We enjoyed here on the grasses, but this time they
No. Actually,
stopped here.
because of mist, yesterday it was too cold. That's why there was mist was there on the grass. So because of that, they closed this area.
Because of mist.
Because of mist.
So because of mist. Okay. Yesterday there was
Mango
mist.
pond. Cactus garden. This is a cactus garden. There is no parking there.
Now this time we can see lot of tourists. After pandemic, now we can see lot of tourists, but
So the Indian
only 25% of people are wearing mask. But still we have to keep it in mind that we should wear mask and keep sanitizing ourselves.
Thoda Model Hut. What is it actually? Knowledge self-help group. They are selling some of the handmade things. Green teas, tea, chocolates. Different kind of oil they are selling.
Henna oil, henna oil.
Phenyl. One said headache, dry cough.
Ma'am, from where you are actually?
Thoda
Thoda,
peoples.
Thoda means where it is?
Thoda tribals. Thoda
Tribals.
tribes.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Means you are all making in home or is a homemade products?
This one.
These
I
are
am
the
making
homemade
the
products.
embroidery,
Okay.
Okay.
Shawl, mufflers,
Oh.
mobile pouches.
Ah,
All are Thoda people only making.
these are woolen.
Handmade.
These are woolen.
Pure cotton. Cotton. Wool thread is
Okay,
making them.
okay. How much it is chocolate?
75. So big one, 130.
Big one is 130.
250 grams, 100 grams.
Okay.
Masala tea.
Discount 20 rupees.
How much it is?
130. Masala tea 90 rupees. Ma'am. Masala, elaichi, ginger, chocolate. This one normal tea.
This is green tea.
Normal. That's
Normal tea. Green tea how much?
Green tea 180.
180 and
250 grams.
250 gram. Okay.
That's a tea.
Okay.
This is government shop only. Either government approved, ladies only making.
Okay.
How much is it, this one?
Shawls, mufflers, ma'am, 1000, 1100. Shawl 2500.
Okay.
This is Moody's. Since 1951, this is one of the famous bakery in Ooty. So today we are planning to purchase a cake for the new year. Rich plum cake, a fruit cake plum.
$480. এটা সেম না এটা কোথায় সেম Moody's.
Aye. Cheers for you. Cheers. Aye.
दूध का
हाँ, वो कोणता सामना
पानी है
চিয়ার্স। আর এই যে আরেকজন পিছনে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে।
ব্রেডটা বেশ নরম না?
ভালো কোয়ালিটিটা বেশ ভালো বেশ ভালো
এবারকে
ভেজে রুটি, হ্যাঁ।